3 levels for setting goals. Surprisingly, setting lower targets may help you achieve more. Let's see why. By hoping for less, you can get more. Ambitious goals quite often stop you from trying at all. They create mental barriers that are also killing the joy of achieving anything short of a miracle. Setting smaller goals will help you start. Still, we need something to strive for. That's why, to make our goals easier for us to achieve, but at the same time to have the challenge that will motivate you to do more, it is worth using the method of 3 levels. The first level you set is the minimal goal you want to achieve. This is a must. You work till at least you achieve this level. The second level, which is higher, is the level that you can describe as satisfactory. If you achieve, you will feel pretty good about yourself. The third final level is the level that will make you extremely happy. The purpose of the 3 different goals is to, on one hand, increase the probability that you will try to do something. On the other hand, you can have more ambitious goals as well. In a sense, the minimal, lowest level provides you with a small win that gives you the energy to try and reach level 2 and level 3. To show you how to use this concept in practice, let's imagine that you want to improve your health by regularly going to the gym. The lowest first goal would be to get up in the morning, go to the gym, and do 1 exercise. If we regularly achieve this level, we create, with little resistance from our body and mind, the habit of going to a gym. Usually, the joy of accomplishing this small goal will mean that from time to time, you will be able to achieve Goal 2 and Goal 3. In our case, Goal 2 would be to do 5 exercises in 30 minutes. If you accomplish that, you should be pretty satisfied with yourself. The final third goal is to exercise a bit longer, for example, 45 minutes. Achieving this goal should make you very happy. Most likely there will be a lot of days during which you achieve only the first level. However, there will be days when you reach level 2 and level 3. If you had only one goal, get up in the morning, go to the gym and do 10 exercises in 45 minutes. In other words, level 3, most likely you would give up, frustrated after 2 months. Before we move to the next lecture, let's briefly summarize the benefits of such an approach. First of all, you reduce the obstacles in your head that prevent you from trying. Most people who use that approach experience less fear of trying new things. By disaggregating the main goals into 3 levels, you give yourself a chance to do more. Additionally, as we have mentioned, such an approach helps you create the routine that will help you achieve great things. It's worth also mentioning that what you achieve in your life depends not only on you, but also on external factors. By setting goals on 3 levels, you maximize the effort you put into achieving something. In other words, you are not demotivated by random factors that prevent you from achieving the goal. The lowest goal is set in such a way that with a bit of effort, you can almost always achieve it. Finally, reaching the first level will give you the small win that will help you keep going. So, as you can see, by setting goals on 3 levels, you can achieve much more than you can expect.